Canon has always stood as one of the most trusted names in photography, setting the gold standard for reliability, performance, and innovation. Now, the brand is preparing to make a major comeback in the APS-C mirrorless segment with what could be one of the most exciting launches of the decade, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II. Far from being a minor upgrade, this next-generation model promises to redefine what creators can expect from a compact camera. With its rumored stacked BSI sensor, next-gen Digic X2 processor, AI-enhanced autofocus, 8K video capabilities, and superior in-body stabilization, the R7 Mark II could be the ultimate hybrid camera for photographers and filmmakers alike. The legacy of the Canon EOS R7. When Canon released the original EOS R7 in 2022, it was a revelation for APS-C enthusiasts. Combining the Digic X processor, dual-pixel AF2, and crisp 4K 60p video inside a lightweight and durable body, it gave users professional-level results without the bulk or cost of full-frame models. Wildlife and sports shooters instantly fell in love with it. But as the industry evolved, demands grew for faster burst speeds, better low-light capabilities, and higher quality video. The EOS R7 Mark II is Canon's response, a camera designed to meet the growing expectations of creators in 2025 and beyond. Stacked BSI sensor, the heart of speed and clarity. At the core of the R7 II lies a rumored 32.5 megapixel stacked BSI CMOS sensor, a leap ahead of conventional APS-C designs. This stacked architecture allows for lightning-fast readout speeds, drastically minimizing rolling shutter distortion, and enabling burst rates as high as 30 to 40 FPS with the electronic shutter. The BSI structure ensures improved light gathering, making low-light photography cleaner and more detailed. For wildlife shooters at dawn or indoor sports photographers, this upgrade will be a total game-changer. Noise reduction, powered by Canon's refined algorithms, will deliver smoother results up to ISO 51200, ensuring the R7 II maintains incredible image quality even in challenging conditions. Digic X2, Canon's next-generation power engine, Canon's Digic X2 processor is expected to push performance to new levels. Beyond sheer speed, it introduces deeper AI integration, allowing the camera to intelligently analyze scenes in real time. Deep Learning AF now recognizes humans, animals, vehicles, and even smaller subjects like insects. This gives the R7 II the kind of autofocus intelligence once reserved for flagship models like the EOS R3. The Digic X2 chip also boosts video capabilities, enabling 8K RAW recording and 4K at up to 120 FPS without severe overheating, a major improvement over older models. This makes it ideal for creators who shoot extended sessions or cinematic projects. Dual-pixel AF3, smarter, faster, more accurate. Canon's dual-pixel AF3 system is reportedly the most advanced autofocus technology the brand has ever produced. Using AI-assisted tracking, it identifies subjects by movement, shape, and color, maintaining focus even through obstructions. Photographers can enjoy 100% frame coverage, countless AF points, and near-instant subject acquisition even in 7EV lighting. For videographers, focus transitions will be smoother and more natural, mimicking the behavior of professional cinema cameras. Whether filming a fast-paced sports scene or an intimate interview, the R7 II ensures every frame stays sharp. 8K and 4K 120 FPS, unleashing cinematic power. The Canon EOS R7 Mark II isn't just for photographers, it's built for filmmakers. With 8K 30 FPS and 4K 120 FPS recording, it pushes APS-C video capabilities into full-frame territory. Thanks to pixel oversampling, footage remains crisp. With excellent color depth and minimal moire, the camera is expected to support Canon Log 3, 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, and RAW output via HDMI, making it ideal for cinematic production workflows. Combined with a CF-Express Type B slot, it ensures high-speed data capture without lag or dropped frames. Enhanced IBIS, up to 8.5 stops of stabilization. Canon's In-Body Image Stabilization is already among the best in the industry, but the R7 II could raise the bar even higher with 8.5 stops of compensation when paired with compatible RF lenses. Photographers can shoot handheld at slower shutter speeds, while videographers will enjoy smoother footage even without a gimbal. This makes the R7 II perfect for travel, handheld vlogging, and wildlife shooting, ensuring stability across every creative scenario. Design and build, familiar. Yet refined Canon is reportedly improving the ergonomics of the R7 II for better grip and control. Expect a sturdier magnesium alloy body, weather sealing equivalent to the R6 Mark II, and a newly designed 5.76 mount EVF, offering vibrant detail. The 3.2-inch fully articulating touchscreen is said to be brighter and more responsive, perfect for both vloggers and photographers. Dual card slots, one CF Express Type B and one UHS-2 SD, guarantee both speed and reliability. Canon may also improve battery life with an updated LPE6NH cell, allowing longer shooting sessions without interruptions. Next-level connectivity and workflow, the R7 II will be built for creators who work fast. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, users will enjoy lightning-fast transfers, direct SSD recording, and live streaming support. Canon's Image.Canon cloud integration might even allow real-time uploads and automatic RAW to JPEG conversions using the Digic X2 chip. These upgrades make the R7 II not just a camera, but a complete content creation hub. AI and software intelligence. Canon is expected to take AI features to a new level with the R7 II. Features like subject re-identification, auto-composition guidance, and machine learning-based noise reduction could all be on board. A hybrid capture mode might let creators record 4K video and capture high-res stills simultaneously, perfect for wedding and documentary work. Other AI enhancements like eye contact correction will improve vlogging by subtly aligning the subject's gaze toward the viewer, enhancing engagement. Who the Canon EOS R7 Mark II is for. This camera is clearly built for versatility. Sports photographers will benefit from its ultra-fast bursts and responsive AF, while videographers will love the 8K 4K 120 FPS power. Travel creators and YouTubers will appreciate its compact, weather-resistant design and AI-driven ease of use. With a rumored price between $1,999 and $2,299, the R7 II will likely sit comfortably between enthusiast and professional segments, offering flagship-level performance without the full-frame cost. Competing in a crowded market in comparison to the Sony a6-700, Fujifilm X-H2S, and Nikon Z70, Canon's R7 II could easily dominate thanks to its balance of image quality, lens selection, and color science. While Sony excels in autofocus and Fujifilm in design philosophy, Canon's mature RF lens lineup and consistent firmware updates give it a serious edge. Release date and launch expectations. Industry experts suggest a late 2025 announcement with shipping starting early 2026. Canon may unveil it during CP Plus 2026 or a special creator event. This timeline aligns with Canon's pattern of refreshing major mirrorless models every 3 to 4 years. The future of Canon's APS-C lineup, the R7 II's debut could mark the start of a new era for Canon's APS-C strategy. Alongside it, Canon may launch new RFS lenses like a 16-70mm f2.8 is STM and a 200-600mm super telephoto, further strengthening its compact system ecosystem. Canon's message is clear. APS-C is not a compromise. It's a professional platform for creators who value speed, portability, and price efficiency. Final thoughts. The next evolution of hybrid imaging, the Canon EOS R7 Mark II, isn't just another upgrade. It's a symbol of Canon's vision for the future. Combining professional-grade performance, AI-powered precision, and cinematic video tools in one compact package, it's designed to empower the next generation of creators. For photographers chasing split-second action or filmmakers seeking creative freedom, the R7 II promises the perfect balance of power and practicality. With Canon's heritage of innovation backing it, this camera could redefine what's possible in the APS-C world, and once again prove that Canon knows exactly how to lead the imaging revolution.